Now there's a tarot element in the book a little bit. Do you work with like cards or tarot stuff? Do you know how to do that?
So I love it as a theory. I will say I'm a very, very much a novice. What I do, which is kind of, I think it's a cousin to tarot. I think it's really fair to say that. I love Nordic runes. It's something that I got into when I was a kid. I read a random article in a magazine.
That's so green. All my listeners are like, there's the green.
They had these printouts of these little like fake runes made of paper, and I cut them out. I put them in a pouch and I put them under my pillow and I infused them with my energy. And then finally I got so into them I made my own. Like I actually took stones and I drew the symbols on them. But I really loved it because I think much like tarot, it's got that same, it's not giving an answer so much as like reframing your own question. And I find that really helpful and really instructive. And I love the idea of framing something in terms of questions and also like calling on something spiritual to help guide you.